All right, thanks, ladies. Now, on the opening day of COP28, the head of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, urged all countries to do more to help cut their emissions of carbon dioxide and other measures to reduce the impact of climate change. She spoke with our reporter, Krista Campbell, who is also in Dubai for an IMF-led climate change reporting workshop.
Deliver what you promise. That charge from Managing Director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, Kristalina Georgieva, on the opening day of the United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP28, here in Dubai. Now, the IMF head sat down with journalists who participated in a training seminar for climate change reporting funded by the Thomson Reuters Foundation and the IMF.
Our research shows that nationally determined contributions taken together are likely to deliver in this decade only 11% reduction vis-a-vis 2019. Whereas to stay on track for 1.5 degree or at least for 2 degree, we need somewhere between 25 and 50% emission reduction.
And so her message is for the almost 200 countries participating in COP28 to set much more ambitious targets for reducing the impact of climate change, especially on vulnerable countries. She points to the work of the IMF in introducing long-term assistance for countries worst impacted by climate change.
It is called Resilience and Sustainability Trust. It is 40 billion strong. Already we have 11 programs that we are financing, and we have, for the next year, we have twice as many in preparation.
Of the 11 countries to get the initial payout from this long-term loan, 6 are African countries, which usually struggle to get adequate financial help to deal with climate change-related issues like flooding.
The less we do now, the more expensive it will be, and the riskier the success of our actions.
She says governments must speed up the process to phase out the use of gas, oil and coal, better known as fossil fuels, and turn to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, which do not release harmful greenhouse gases into the environment. Reporting from Dubai, here in the United Arab Emirates, I'm Krista Campbell for TVJ News.